Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wiwit Akriani. I'm from Bengkulu University. Okay, I want to explain you my article. The title is Improving Student Vocabulary Achievement Through Possible Sentence VS Strategy. Classroom action research at the 5th grade student of 37 cover in academic years 2017 and 2018. Introduction. William Arch, the dead inquiring of the adequate vocabulary is essential for second and foreign language use. Without an extensive vocabulary, students will be unable to use the structure and function they may be learned for comprehensible communications. And furthermore, to know about the real problem happened at the 5th grade student of SDN Negeri 37 Kaur, the researchers conducted free observation by observing the teacher and student interaction in the classroom. Based such problems, how does possible sentence PS strategy improve student English vocabulary achievement at the 5th grade student of SDN 37 Kaur? And the objective of the study, this research to investigate whether using possible sentence PS strategy could improve student English vocabulary achievement. Research methodology. The first one, research method. This research by classroom action research or CAR method. And the sample of the data, the students were in 5th grade students of SDN 37 Kaur. And then the collection technique and instrument. The first one, test. The test used in pre-assessment test, cycle 1, cycle 2, cycle 3 test. The result of this test will describe the student progress in mastery, English vocabulary mastery. And the second, observation sheet. File note where the primary way of capturing the data that is collaborator, teacher and student observation sheet were ensured by the researcher. And the third, interview. Used to collect the data in primary research to find the student problem, teacher strategy and teaching vocabulary determine respondent of the research. And the last, documentations. So the documentation data were about the photographs and video record during the teaching and learning process, especially student and teachers interaction in the class every meeting. Next, data analysis. Interactive model of the analysis process by Mills and Horvath. There are characteristics. The first one, data collecting, data display, data reduction, and the last, conclusion, drawing, verifications. Finding and discussion. The frequency of the student improvement, you can see a picture or a PowerPoint. The first one, score interval, qualification, free assessment, cycle 1, cycle 2, and cycle 3. Discussions. The first one, the teacher made a detailed teaching design implement in the classroom. In this research, the researcher designed a research process in some stage, namely free assessment test, cycle 1, cycle 2, and cycle 3. The second one, the indicator of success in this research is 70 of average score in cycle 3 test. The student have good 78. No, 76. In the last, possible sentence could improve student vocabulary. Conclusion and suggestion. The conclusion, the data collection and the data analysis in chapter 3 for the The using possible sentence could improving the student vocabulary at the fifth grade. It can be seen from improvement that students made in test score and the progress of their behavior in the classroom. The student average score in pre-assessment test was 61, that include into moderate category, and average score in cycle 3 test 76, that include into good. Propose some suggestion, namely the first one: teaching and learning English at school must involve appropriate strategy, and other the students can get unforgettable experience in their English vocabulary. I think enough for my presentation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.